Hello everyone. Hey, I can't even see you. You can't even see me. Anyway, hello. How are you doing? Welcome to Best Prank TV channel. And today I want to show you how to float on water easily. No magic, no anything. Everything you need to know so that you can float easily on water. Right? So one thing you should do, take care of your breath. If you want to float on water, your lungs needs to be full of air. So if air is inside you, you just float naturally. If you want to sink, you just exhale, you just remove the air. In layman's language, you exhale, right? So we want to float, right? So I'm going to take a breath. And then you also take care of your arms. You move your arms like this, see? And you paddle with your legs like this. Easily, floating easily on water like this. Let's. You take a breath. And you can continue breathing. Don't hold your breath. As you paddle your feet and your arms, you can also move. You can also relax. So that's how you float on water easily. Okay? Subscribe for the next anonymous tutorial. See you next time.